Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps immediately. Check the OS and security patch level. Inconsistent updates cause sensor mismatches. Remove any screen protector and clean the display with isopropyl 70% or a microfiber cloth. Dirt blocks capacitive sensing. Open the device's fingerprint diagnostics or calibration tool and run the quick test. If the test fails, note error codes and proceed to the next step. Once done, make sure the phone has at least 50% battery. You now tackle software causes and detailed execution tasks. Reboot the device to clear transient driver issues, then delete and re-register fingerprints, ensuring full finger coverage during scans. Clear the biometrics cache in settings or use recovery mode to wipe only fingerprint-related data. This resets corrupted templates. If problems started after an update, install the vendor patch or roll back to the previous stable build where possible. Once done, run multiple enrollments across different angles to improve recognition reliability. Finish by confirming hardware integrity and performing final corrective actions. Use the service menu or diagnostic app to view sensor responsiveness and voltage readings. Inconsistent signals indicate hardware faults. Check for voided adhesive, loose screen, or misaligned protectors, and reset the display if you can do so safely. Make sure pressure across the sensor area is even and calibrate one more time. If the issue persists, the likely fix is a module replacement by an authorized technician. If that fails, replace the display assembly. Quick tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.